Morning. I wanted to show you this squash, the one that didn't produce female flowers. Well, very few. Anyway, it grew really huge. I cut it off and I didn't water it and it kept growing. So I just let it go. And there's some pretty interesting looking produce. It crossed with the neighbor's pumpkin. It was supposed to be a kabocha and it's not. It looks like a green pumpkin. And then there's this one over here. It's huge. So there's not much fruit on there, but, squash, but they're huge. Here's another one. For some reason, this one is pale. I don't know why. I don't know anything about this plant. It's crossed between a kabocha and the neighbor's pumpkin, and I ended up with a huge, that's the horseradish, but I ended up with this huge plant, very little water. I have no idea how this got so much water, enough to grow that big. I did start watering it like a couple weeks ago. Anyway, fascinating things happen. Have a wonderful day.